Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the book of Micah, an intriguing scripture in the Old Testament. If you're not familiar with the Bible, don't worry. We'll explore Micah in a straightforward, engaging way to spark your curiosity. Let's start with the basics. Micah is one of the 12 minor prophets in the Old Testament, known for his passionate messages about justice, judgment, and hope that still inspire today. Picture a world where leaders are corrupt and inequality is rampant. Sounds familiar, right? This context makes Micah's message about justice, judgment, and hope feel surprisingly relevant today. Micah is famous for his strong stance on social justice. In chapter 6, verse 8, he asks, "What does the Lord require of you?" His answer, to act justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. This verse is a cornerstone of Micah's teachings, encouraging integrity and compassion. Despite his stern warnings, Micah offers a message of hope. In chapter 4, verse 3, he proclaims, "They will beat their swords into plowshares and their spears into pruning hooks," dreaming of transformation where tools of war become tools of growth. Another pivotal moment arrives in chapter 5, verse 2, where Micah predicts a leader will emerge from Bethlehem. Christians later interpret this as a prophecy of Jesus' birth, adding layers of significance to Micah's words. Micah's vivid imagery and bold declarations offer lessons still vital today. His call for justice and humility transcends religious contexts, speaking to anyone interested in a fair, compassionate society. So whether you're opening the Bible for the first time or seeking a fresh perspective, Micah's voice echoes through the ages, asking us all to envision a better, more just world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the Bible and beyond. Stay tuned for more insights.